Hello friends, here I am with an amazing healthy recipe. Easy and tasty curry leaf rice with lots of curry leaves and less oil. Comes out delicious, aromatic and flavorful. Kids will also love this rice. The best part is you can make use of either fresh curry leaves or dried leaves for this recipe. And you can store the curry leaf masala powder for 6 months. Makes it easy and handy. This is an awesome option to include curry leaves in your diet. Let's get started. First, we need 1 cup of curry leaves. These are tightly packed. It's actually more than 1 cup if you measure loose. Wash the leaves well to get rid of any dirt and drain the leaves in strainer. Then spread leaves on cloth in a single layer. Pat dry leaves with kitchen napkin and let it dry for few minutes. To avoid leafy texture and to blend well with rice, let's make curry leaf masala powder. On a hot pan, dry roast the washed curry leaves. Roast on low flame until leaves get little crispier. Make sure leaves should not be moist anymore. Keep mixing to avoid overburn. As you see, leaves tend to change color slightly. Once done, keep the leaves aside. If you don't want to monitor, other way is to air fry the leaves at low temperature. First, spread the leaves on air fryer tray. Insert tray in air fryer middle row. Cover with another tray on top to avoid leaves flying. Air fry at 300 Fahrenheit for 1 minute. Shake halfway. As you see, leaves will be done by 2 minutes of preheating time only. Get super easy with air frying. Or if you have time, shade dry leaves until fully dried. Next, dry roast spices in same pan. First, add 2 red chilies, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon urad dal, 1 teaspoon chana dal, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, and 2 garlic. Dry roast these all on slow flame until roasted well. Keep mixing 1 to 2 times. Once cooled down, add spices and curry leaves in mixie jar. Grind to powder. Curry leaf masala powder is ready. If you already have air fried or dried leaves handy, directly go for grinding along with spices. No need of roasting curry leaves again. Yields around quarter cup powder. Good enough for 2 cups of cooked rice. Since all ingredients are dry roasted, you can prepare this powder ahead in large batches and store in airtight container for 6 months. Let's temper rice with curry leaf masala powder. Heat the same pan and add 2 teaspoon oil. It doesn't need much oil due to grinding into powder. Turns delicious with less oil. I'm going to add air-fried peanuts at the end. Otherwise, fry the peanuts now in oil. Next, add half a teaspoon cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 garlic, 3 chilies, little turmeric to keep less yellow and more greenish. Saute for 1 minute. Next, add quarter cup onion pieces, half a teaspoon salt. Mix all well. Once the onions are sauteed, add 2 cups of rice. Then add quarter cup of curry leaf masala powder, or you can add little less. Mix everything well. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes to blend powder with rice. Next, squeeze half a lime for light tanginess and to enhance the taste well. If you notice, curry leaves are heated very less time this way. Add air fried peanuts at the end and then garnish with coriander. Looks so colorful and tastes super delicious with curry leaves flavor and spices. If you want, you can add few onion pieces on top. It's optional. Hope you like my recipe and enjoy this healthy curry leaf rice with your family. See you again with many more healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.